everyone! Welcome to my virtual class. I am Mom J and I'm your teacher for today. Happy learning!
Ang lesson natin sa araw na ito ay properties of equality. So, isa-isahin natin yung mga property ng equality. So, meron tong sum. May 9 na properties of equality. So, properties of equality for all real numbers A, B, and C. So, unahin natin yung addition property of equality. So, APE. So, if A equals B, then A plus C equals B plus C. So, pag sinabi natin addition property of equality, kung ano yung in-add natin sa left side, dapat ganun din yung i-add natin sa right side. So, examples. If x minus 5 equals 6, then x equals 11. So, paano naging x equals 11? Kasi, nag-add tayo ng 5 both sides. So, ayan. Plus 5 sa left at plus 5 sa right. So, ito ay magiging 0 na, and then ito ay magiging 11. So, magiging x equals 11. Number 2, if m minus 3 equals 7, then m equals 10. So, paano siya naging m equals 10? Kasi nag-add tayo ng 3 both sides. So, m minus 3 plus 3 equals 7 plus 3. Then, ito ay 0 na. So, m na lang ang matitira. So, 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. So, yun po yung addition property of equality. Kung anong in-add mo sa kaliwa, yun din ang i-add mo dapat sa kanan. Okay, next, subtraction property of equality, SPE. If A equals B, then A minus C equals B minus C. So, sa subtraction property of equality, kung ano yung sinubtract natin sa left side, dapat yun din ang ating isusubtract sa right side. So, examples. So, if x plus 5 equals 6, then x equals 1. So, paano siya naging x equals 1? Nag-minus po kasi tayo ng negative 5, or nag-minus tayo ng 5, both sides. So, x plus 5 minus 5 equals 6 minus 5. So, magiging x equals 1. Number 2, if m plus 3 equals 7, then m equals 4. So, paano naging m equals 4? Nag-minus tayo ng 3, both sides. So, m plus 3 minus 3 equals 7 minus 3. Therefore, m equals 4. Kasi magiging 0 na to. So, m na lang matitira. Then, 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. So, yun po yung subtraction property of equality. So, kung ano yung minus mo sa kabila, dapat ganun din ang ima-minus mo sa kabila. Multiplication property of equality, MPE. So, if A equals B, then A times C is equals to B times C. So, kung sa multiplication property naman, kung anong minultiply mo sa kaliwa, kailangan i-multiply mo din sa kanan. So, both side lang po. Mag-multiply tayo ng number, both side. So, examples, number 1, if x equals 6, then 2x equals 12. So, paano siya naging 2x equals 12? Nag-times tayo ng 2 both sides. So, x times 2 equals 6 times 2. So, 2x equals 12. Number 2, if m equals 7, then 3m equals 21. So, paano siya naging 3m equals 21? Nag-multiply tayo ng 3 both sides. Ayan. Ayan po. So, sa multiplication property, mag-multiply lang tayo ng number both sides. Division property of equality, DPE. So, if A equals B, then A over C is equals to B over C. So, dito naman, sa division property of equality, magdi-divide lang tayo both sides. So, examples. So, if 2x equals 12, then x equals 6. So, paano siya naging x equals 6? Nag-divide tayo ng 2 both sides. So, 2x over 2 equals 12 over 2. So, therefore, x equals 6. Number 2, if 3m equals 21, then m equals 7. So, nag-divide lang tayo ng 3 both sides. Ayan. So, pag division property of equality, magdi-divide lang po tayo ng number both sides. Substitution property of equality. So, pag sinabi substitution, di ba nagpapalit tayo? So, if A equals B, then A may be replaced with B at any time. So, pwede Pwedeng si A maging B at si B pwedeng maging A. So, substitution property po yan. So, examples. If x equals 5 and x plus y equals 10, then 5 plus y equals 10. So, si x, value niya, di ba, ay 5. So, pwede nating ipalitan si x ng 5. So, ayan. 5 plus y equals 10. Number 2, if the measure of angle 4 is equals to 30, and the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 4 equals 90, then the measure of angle 1 plus 30 equals 90. So, saan ang galing si 30? Di ba si angle 4, ang measure niya ay 30. So, pwede natin siyang palitan ng number. So, 30. Ayan. Yun po yung substitution property. Next, distributive property of equality. So, A multiplied by quantity B plus C is equals to AB plus AC. So, distributive is sabihin, i-distribute nyo lang. So, A times B, A times C. Kaya, AB plus AC. So, examples. So, 4 times quantity x minus 3 is equals to 4x minus 12. Kasi, 4 times x is 4x. And 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. So, distribute lang, pinamigay, kumbaga. Number 2, x times quantity a plus b equals ax plus bx. Kasi x times a is ax, and x times b is bx. So, ax plus bx. So, yun lang po yung distributive property. Kumbaga, ipapamahagi lang siya. Reflexive property of equality. So, a equals a. So, anything is equal to itself. So, pag sinabi naman natin reflexive property, mirror. Kumbaga, anything is equal to itself. So, kamukha siya, magkamukha. So, examples. The measure of angle 4 is equals to the measure of angle 4. Number 2, xy equals xy. Ayan, magkamukha lang siya, mirror. Reflexive property yan. Symmetric property of equality. If A equals B, then B equals A. So, pag sinabi naman natin symmetric property, yung position yung nagbabago. So, si A kanina nandito sa kaliwa, so mapupunta siya sa kanan. So, pag symmetric, nagpapalit lang sila ng position, yung dalawang number natin, or dalawang quantity. So, examples. So, if 20 equals x, then x equals 20. Number 2, if the measure of angle 4 is 90, is equals to 90, then 90 is equals to the measure of angle 4. So, nagpapalit lang sila ng pwesto. Yun yung symmetric property. So, transitive property of equality. If equals B and B equals C, then A equals C. So, pag sinabing transitive property, meron tayong, kapag daw yung dalawang quantity natin or dalawang bagay natin ay equal sa isa't isa, at yung pangalawa, bagay natin ay equal dun sa pangatlo, ibig sabihin, yung unang bagay natin ay equal din dun sa pangatlo. So, yun yung transitive property. Example, so if the measure of angle A is equals to the measure of angle B, and the measure of angle B is equals to the measure of angle C, then the measure of angle A is equals to the measure of angle C. Number 2, if CD equals EF and AB equals EF, then CD equals AB. Yan. So, pag transitive, meron tayong tatlong quantity dyan. So, justify each statement by giving the property of equality use. So, itry nga natin kung naintindihan nyo yung sum na property ng equality. So, una, if AB equals CD, then CD equals AB. So, pansinin nyo, yung pwesto ni AB tsaka ni CD ay nagkabaliktad. So, pagka ganyan, ang sagot natin ay symmetric property of equality. Number 2, 3 times quantity A plus B. So, we have 3A plus 3B. So, si 3 dinistribute kay A tsaka kay B. So, pagka ganyan, ang sagot natin ay distributive property of equality. Number 3, if the measure of angle A is equals to the measure of angle A. So, mirror. So, anything is equals to itself. So, that will be reflexive property of equality. Number 4, if KL is equals to 20 and MN plus KL equals 40, then MN plus 20 equals 40. So, si KL, ang value niya ay 20. So, dito, yung value ni KL, nilagay natin. So, naging MN plus 20. So, yan po ay substitution property of equality. So, nagpalit. Number 5. If the measure of angle 1 is equals to the measure of angle 2, and the measure of angle 2 is equals to the measure of angle 3, then angle 1 is equals to the measure of angle 3. So, meron tayong tatlong quantity dito. So, ibig sabihin, pagka ganyan, so nawala si angle 2. So, yan po ay transitive property of equality. So, number 6. If x plus 10 equals 12, then x equals 2. So, paano siya naging x equals 2? Nag-minus tayo ng 10 both sides. So, dahil nag-minus tayo both sides, so, subtraction property of equality. Number 7. If 5x equals 15, then x equals 3. So, paano siya naging x equals 3? So, kung napansin nyo, nag-divide tayo ng 5 both sides. So, dahil nag-divide tayo, division property of equality. Number 8. If x minus 7 equals 5, then x equals 12. So, paano siya naging x equals 12? So, nag-add tayo ng 7 both sides. So, dahil nag-add tayo both sides, yan po ay addition property of equality. Number 9. If x equals 5, then 2x equals 10. So, paano siya naging 2x equals 10? So, nag-multiply tayo ng 2 both sides. So, dahil nag-multiply tayo, yan ay multiplication property of equality. And number 10, AB equals AB. So, mirror siya ulit. So, pag mirror, yan po ay reflexive property of equality. So, yun lang po yung mga properties of equality. So, tingnan nyo lang kung nag-add ba tayo, nag-subtract, nag-multiply, or nag-divide both sides. So, yan pwede ay maging addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Pag binalitan ng value, substitution. Pag dinistribute, distributive property. Pag mirror, reflexive. Pag nagpalit ng pwesto, symmetric. Pag transitive naman, kumbaga yung pag yung dalawang quantity ay equal, so meron tayong tatlo doon, nag-equal din sa pangalawa, tapos nawawala yung gitna, transitive yun. So, kaya nga, try nyo nga ito. So, justify each statement by giving the property of equality use. Ayan, sana may natutunan kayo sa araw na ito. Yun lamang po.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.